I am constantly amazed at these fabrics. We're gonna do, oh my gosh, I'm just really, I'm so excited to show you these. It's just unbelievable. So we're doing a little bit of a throwback today. Today we're having a big sale. These fabrics are on sale also. So I just want to show them to you. A little bit of a throwback. I could not pass up these prices. They're just ridiculous. This is a faux Sherpa. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It's a navy. It is absolutely stunning. Just absolutely beautiful. It's mostly cotton, and it is beautiful. It is just lovely. This next one is a cashmere, also a navy, very deep navy, 100% cashmere. I don't know what else to say about it except it's just stunningly gorgeous. And you know, like, these are pieces, because they're so inexpensive right now, you just buy them because they're just so inexpensive. So I've put in a couple pieces that match, even though this is a black. This is a navy. Both of these are dark, dark navies. This is a red, and it's 100% cotton. It has a beautiful stripe, a little bit of glitz, black. Both sides can be used, but it just blends perfectly with this next piece. And this next piece is meant to be both sides used. It's a faux leather and a faux suede, and yet rarely do you see where both sides can be used. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe it. It's a beautiful red color. Like I said, they go well together. This is a poly cotton poly either way. It has stretch in one direction, so it's a stretch woven. So can you just imagine the possibilities? Oh geez. This is a 100% cotton flannel. 100%. Both sides are usable. Both sides are just beautiful. 100% cotton flannel. Then we have 100% cotton Sherpa. No, I'm sorry, not Sherpa, polar fleece. Like, one reason I don't like polar fleece is because it's warm, but when you put it on, you sweat to death because of the poly. 100% cotton polar fleece. It has stretch in both directions. It's beautiful royal blue. I don't know, the quality of these fabrics is just astounds me. So I can assure you, you will have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.